Wait, did OnePlus just decide to break every rule in 2025? Because the OnePlus 15 might actually be powerful enough to take down the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's start with performance. This thing is expected to run on Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, the most advanced processor ever made for Android. Early numbers show it easily competing with Apple's A18 chip and even beating it in certain power and speed tests. That's a bold move against Apple's best. The display takes it even further. A stunning 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 165 Hz refresh rate. That's smoother than what you get on both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. For gamers and binge watchers, this screen could deliver one of the most immersive visual experiences of 2025. Now, cameras. OnePlus is going all in with a triple 50-megapixel setup, a 50-megapixel main, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, all flagship-grade sensors. The goal? To compete directly with the iPhone's color accuracy and Samsung's zoom performance. If OnePlus nails the software this time, it could be a serious threat to both. And the battery? This is where OnePlus might completely outclass everyone. A massive 7,300 mAh battery inside a slim flagship body. That's nearly double what you get on an iPhone 16 Pro Max and still much larger than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. At 120W fast charging, and you could go from 0 to full in under 30 minutes. Apple and Samsung can't even come close to that. Launch is expected around early 2025, likely March, with a price starting near $899 in the US. If that's accurate, it's significantly cheaper than both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, yet offering more power, bigger battery, and faster charging. If OnePlus really delivers on all this, the OnePlus 15 could easily become the best value flagship of 2025, challenging Apple's ecosystem and Samsung's luxury build head-on. The question is, will it finally push users to switch? What do you think? Would you choose the OnePlus 15 over the iPhone 16 Pro Max or the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Drop your thoughts below. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss what happens next, because this competition just got real.